Jake is our cameraman. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make the fireplace that looks like this. Okay, I do want to just go over the roof because it got cut out from the last video. So what you would do is you draw the X, okay, and you're actually not using the vanishing points for this. You're just taking this corner, lining it up with this corner, lining it up with this corner. Anytime you want to find the center of something, that is how you do it, okay? So once I have that X, this is the center. So it's the center this way, and it's also the center this way. So I'm taking my T-square, and I'm drawing a vertical line up, okay? And I'm getting this is gonna be the height for the pitch of my roof, okay? So once I have that line, you decide how high you would like it. You take the top of that line, okay? And you line it up with the back corner of your house, and then you line it up with the front corner of your house, okay? So that's one of the few instances where you're not using the vanishing points. Then to finish it this way, you take the top, go over to the right vanishing point, and then as I said in the last video, this line I am letting you guys just use your eye to draw it and see if it looks okay. In reality, the way you would do that is you would make the house see-through, you would draw the X on the small wall over here, and you would do it the same way that you did it here. It's a lot of work for a teeny tiny line, so I do not require that, but if you would like to do that, you're more than welcome to. I could demonstrate that if you'd like me to. Okay, so for the chimney, all right, you're going to start by creating the foundation for where you want it. Okay, the way we did with the porch too. So I'm starting with that parallelogram shape. So I'm over to the right vanishing point. I'm drawing this little line here. Okay, I'm choosing how wide I would like it. I'm not going to make it super big. Okay, I'm still lined up at the right vanishing point. Okay, so I have those two lines, and then I'm going over to my left vanishing point. Okay, so that, like I said, that's showing me where I'm just placing it. Okay, once you have that, you're creating like a small rectangular three-dimensional shape. Okay, so I'm going up with a vertical, up with a vertical, up with a vertical, okay? Then I'm just finishing this off the way I would. I'm taking this, I'm going to the left vanishing point, I'm taking this, I'm going to the right vanishing point. Okay, so this is easy, just making a three-dimensional parallelogram. Okay, to close this off, I'm taking this, I'm going to the left, I'm taking this, and I'm going to the right. Okay, so right now it's just a 3D parallelogram. Erase the extra parts. Okay, I know it's not see-through, so I could even erase this now. The way I just drew this shape is the same exact way you would draw a garage or like a house extension. You're just drawing a three-dimensional parallelogram. So the way I did that, you would just make your lines longer. Okay, so you can make it taller or longer, but it's the same exact thing. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm making a little pitch on my fireplace the way I did with the roof. So I'm drawing my X. Okay, so I'm just lining up the opposite corners and drawing an X to show me where the middle is. And then I'm drawing my vertical line. Okay, so that's the pitch. Then I'm going to decide how tall I want it. I'm not going to make it super, super tall. I'll bring it to about here. I'm taking the top of the line, I'm going to this corner. I'm taking the top of the line, I'm going to this corner. Okay, so for this line here, I'm taking this line and I'm dragging it down. Okay, so I'm taking this line. What is that called in math? Come on, you guys know. What is it called? You know, Jake.
I don't know.
When you drag a line down, what is it called? Dilation? No, what is it called? What is it called? You know, Melissa. Oh, come on, someone help me out. Who knows at home what that's called when you take a line and you drag it to, and you copy it and move it down? Everyone's going to leave me hanging. Translation? No? Didn't you guys take geometry? What is it called, Matt? Come on, you know.
I think it's translation, I'm not sure now.
All right. For purposes of this class, we're going to call it a translation. Erase, erase. I'm taking this and I'm going to the right vanishing point. I know someone at home knows and you guys are holding out on me. All right, now I'm choosing where, excuse me, I want my chimney to go. Like the fluted part. So I'm going to go over to the right vanishing point. Okay, now from here I'm just going up with a vertical. Up with a vertical. It starts to get sloppy a little bit, so I'm going to try to erase some of this. Okay, so now to see where this would line up over here, I'm taking this corner and I'm going to the left vanishing point. Okay, so here I'm going up with a vertical. Okay, does everybody see it? Get rid of all this stuff because it's going to be made of brick or stone. It is not see-through. I'm sorry, this line I want to keep though. Okay, I'm going to keep that because when I do the brick, it's going to change. All right, so to finish off the top, this is now my corner. I'm going over to the left and I'm going over to the right. Left. Right. Erase. Erase. I'm not going to put the brick on right now because I know my phone's going to die. But that is how you make the fireplace.